The company was founded in 1960. By 1996, Imperial Group had become one of Guatemala's major knit suppliers, specializing in the production and sales of knitted fabrics and supplying full-package apparel to the U.S. market. 55 years of experience and a solid financial stability have made Imperial the industry's undisputed leader in the region and one of the only vertical manufacturers with its own spinning mill facilities. Our headquarters located in Guatemala City, our dyeing plant in Chimaltenango, and our spinning mills in Villa Nueva, and one soon to start operating in Palin. The group is involved in the production of different kinds of fibers, natural and synthetic, like cotton, polyester, modal, and recycled. We have state-of-the-art Uster testers, instruments used to verify the yarn and reassure its quality in every step of the spinning process. The group is investing in the construction of a new spinning mill in the industrial zone of Palin, producing KPRS yarns in 100% cotton and blends. Our expected yarn spinning capacity from the year 2023 onwards will be at 6 million pounds per month. Imperial Group has world-class capabilities and expertise in a wide variety of weft knitted fabrics. We operate single and double knit machines, capable of any knitted fabric design, according to the client's specifications and adhering to market trends. We can handle cotton fibers, cellulose, polyesters, and synthetic fibers, biblends, triblends, and elastane combinations. Most of our machinery is of German manufacture, with the latest electronic fault detection technology guaranteeing us compliance with the production plans. We also use a traffic light type system to be able to detect products which do not meet the required standard. Our group is invested in the world's most advanced fully automatic dyeing equipment with no manual interference. We also operate a complete testing laboratory. We work and supply several dyed and finished products. Among these services are wicking, UV, antimicrobial, biopolish, roller printing, and peaching, among others. We operate with Orgatex textile software, which automatically controls the processes, as well as the automatic chemical dispenser. Our finishes are done by state-of-the-art machinery, allowing the process of over 2 million pounds of fabric per month. We comply with the international standards required by our clientele and have certifications from OEcotex, Recycled Claim, RCS Standard, and HIG Index. Our environmental commitment focuses on the rational use of resources. A Swiss-made rotary printing machine handles all of our printing. All fabrics are printed with pigments and discharge dyes. We also have an in-house computer pattern, adjustment, and design facility. Our printing designs are developed in less than 4 days, and the production is carried out using specialized cylinder engraving. Our full package services possess the expertise in a wide variety of processes. A sample room in order to support all the developments and new trends from our customers. Embellishment factories with screen printing, embroidery, sublimation, and laundry capabilities. Sewing factories with cutting, sewing, and packing processes, all being CT/PAT area certified. Imperial Group's full package service capacity is at 1.75 million garments per month. All our factories have compliance certifications like Imperial Group has a team of qualified personnel for each step of the process. Most of them have different certifications according to their area of expertise in the textile industry. For the logistics area, we have the flexibility to serve our clients according to the Incoterm they require. We have strong alliances with certified suppliers in the region, all of them recognized brands, which gives us greater flexibility to offer rapid delivery times. We are Imperial Group, and it will be our pleasure to serve you.